Assalamu alaikum. My name is Adam Hussain.
And my name is Roman Ali.
My name is Nishman Sari.
And I'm Shahveer Khan.
We are students of KEET, currently enrolled in our 8th semester. We are here to introduce RoadMates, our final year project, which we believe can potentially revolutionize carpooling.
We thank our jury, Sir Aziz and Sir Iftikhar, and our advisors, Sir Kamil and Sir Amir, and we especially thank Sir Aziz for mentorship.
We extend our gratitude to Sir Usman Khan and the rest of the faculty members. The main purpose of RoadMates is to make ride sharing smooth, affordable, and hassle free.
While also building a community, since there is a notable absence of viable carpooling apps in Pakistan. Thank you.
RoadMates is designed to make your daily commute hassle-free. With RoadMates, vehicle owners can earn money effortlessly while passengers enjoy affordable shared rides. The basic concept of RoadMates is that if a driver is traveling from point A to point B, they can create a ride in advance. Passengers heading in the same direction can then pre-book these rides, making commuting efficient and cost-effective for everyone. On the RoadMates app, users can choose between becoming a driver or a passenger. If you already have an account, there is no need to register again. Simply verify through your phone number.
When a user chooses to become a driver, the following steps are required for successful registration. The user will enter their phone number and OTP will be sent to the entered number for verification. The user will input the received OTP to verify their phone number. After successful OTP verification, the user will provide their name and select their gender. They are also required to enter some basic and vehicle info. That includes driver's selfie, copies of their CNIC front and back, and copies of their driving license front and back. For the vehicle information, the driver will fill some necessary details about their vehicle. The driver will upload a photo of the vehicle and copies of the vehicle registration document. Upon successful registration, the driver will be redirected to the driver home screen. For this screen, the driver will have direct access to creating new rides and viewing and managing existing rides. To create a new ride, the driver can follow these steps. Tap on Create a Ride to be redirected to the map screen. Tap on the plus icon to bring up a bottom sheet. Enter origin, destination, date and time of the ride, and number of available seats within the capacity of vehicle. Driver can also set the ride recurrence. The options are today, weekly or monthly. The best route will be displayed in purple and alternative routes will be displayed in gray on the map. The driver can also see the total distance and estimated time for the ride. By clicking on dollar icon, the fare for the ride will be calculated according to distance and predefined logic. By reviewing the details, the driver can tap on confirm to create the ride successfully.
Once a driver has scheduled rides in advance, they can easily manage them by tapping on rides. Here, drivers can view a list of all their scheduled rides, complete with all the necessary details. To begin a ride, the driver simply taps on Begin. This redirects them to the map screen, where a route polyline is drawn from the origin to the destination. A list of passengers is also displayed at the bottom. Initially, the driver can view each passenger's location on the map by tapping on View Location. Upon arriving at the passenger's location, the driver taps Arrived and can start the ride once the passenger has boarded. During the journey, the driver can end the ride upon reaching each passenger's destination. Finally, when the driver reaches their last destination, they can end the ride.
Now, when user choose the passenger option, they start by entering their phone number. An OTP is sent for secure verification, ensuring their information is protected. Once verified, they proceed by entering their name and gender, completing a straightforward and user-friendly registration process that gets them ready to book rides effortlessly. After successfully completing the registration process, users are redirected to the passenger home screen. Here, passengers can easily tap on Ride to navigate to the map screen, where they can search for available rides tailored to their preferences. This seamless process ensures a convenient start to their journey.
Here, passengers can easily find rides that match their travel needs. By tapping on the plus icon, a bottom sheet appears. Passengers can enter their origin, destination, and preferred date and time for the ride and tap on the search icon. A route polyline is dynamically drawn on the map, showing the planned journey. RoadMates smartly matches this route with any overlapping routes created by drivers. If the passenger's route intersects with a driver's scheduled ride, those rides will be displayed.
The rides are displayed as cards, providing key information at a glance. Passengers can filter rides based on their vehicle preferences, such as luxury, economy, comfort, bikes, or all options. Tapping on a ride card expands it to show detailed information, including vehicle information just like the vehicle image, model, color, and ride information like ride distance, time, source, and destination. To book a ride, passengers simply tap on Book. This brings up payment guidelines, where users enter the number of seats they wish to book, with available seats clearly displayed. Fare details are also shown, and our app requires 25% advance payment through Stripe. The remaining balance is payable in cash to the driver at the end of the ride. After completing the Stripe payment, the remaining balance is displayed for easy reference. By tapping Done, the booking is completed, but users can also cancel the ride by
From among the existing rides on the application, a passenger can choose a ride that suits him. Once a ride is selected, in order to book it, the passenger must specify the number of seats and also they need to specify their payment method. Once successfully booked, the passenger has the option to communicate with the driver, and the driver can also communicate with the passenger. This is done through the chat option. This chat option exists prior to the booking and also during the booking. This allows the passenger and the driver to communicate with each other in case of any exceptions. Apart from this, other passengers who are booked on the same ride can also communicate with each other and it works like a group chat. This allows all of the roadmates to coordinate. A booking is marked as completed when the passenger has been dropped off at their location by the driver. After this completion, the passenger will then be transferred to a screen that is titled Rate Your Experience. Here the passenger can rate their roadmate out of 5 stars and also leave comments about their general feedback. The driver too will have the option to rate the passenger. These ratings of the driver and the passenger contribute to their overall cumulative rating, which is displayed on their profile. For every user on their profile, there is an option present that allows them to freely edit the data they have given. They are able to change their profile picture, their phone number, or their display name. Furthermore, every user on RoadMates has the ability to change the type of user they are. For example, a driver, if there is a need, they can convert to a passenger and use the application as if they were a passenger. Similarly, a person who has been registered as a passenger can at will convert to a driver. This option is present at the bottom of the sidebar for all profiles. This allows for flexibility and further provides convenience to the users. The process of conversion is simple. Converting from driver to passenger does not need much since the user has already been registered with their phone number, which would however be needed again, and the OTP verification process will take place. However, to convert from a passenger to driver requires more details. Similar to when registering a driver, the details of the vehicles will be needed again, and also the license and registration and the driver's license. Upon successfully completing this, a passenger can successfully now function as a driver. We hope that this video presents our project RoadMates well enough. In creating this project, the convenience of the users was kept in mind, and also the goal of building a community and providing the smoothest possible functionality we could. We hope that as intended, RoadMates provides the innovation in the field of carpooling as we expected to and as is needed in Pakistan. We would also like to thank the rest of the faculty at GEAT who are our respected teachers. Without the skills and knowledge gained through them, we would not have been able to create RoadMates. We hope that the success of RoadMates brings progress to a much needed field in our part of the world. Thank you.